Magandang buhay mga ka-Korean Tips. Good day. It's Jesse again, isang Pinoy electrician dito sa New Zealand. So, for today's vlog, babalik po tayo sa basic. Kasi po marami po yung nagtatanong kung wala silang PLC, paano ba sila matuto? Wala sila nitong Factory.io, yung simulation software. So, paano ba sila matututo? So, for today's vlog, yung main focus ko po talaga is to address yung mga students or aspiring electrical engineers, electronics engineers back home na hindi po sila masyadong aware na yung technology ngayon, if you just research, if you just need to read, you can learn for free po mga ka-Korean Tips. So, for today's vlog, yung i-address ko po na pwede po tayong matuto ng controls engineering, automation, PLC for free po. As long as you have the laptop, you have the eagerness to learn, and you have the dedication and the passion for electrical engineering. So matututo po talaga kayo. And so for today's vlog, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy. So basically, we're gonna download yung PLC software. That's for free. And also, I'll teach you how to download the Factory.io. So basically, isa po siyang free software. And you can download it for free as well. So sa mga nagtatanong kung free ba lahat, yes po, it's free. So hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Yung PLC programming software na gagamitin natin for today is Codesys. So basically, it's an open structure na software developed para sa mga dedicated sa mga developer, students na gustong matuto, or engineers na kailangang magkaroon ng background. So basically, Codesys I think it's developed in sa Germany, but it's for free. So tuturuan ko po kayo. Basically, if you go type in Codesys in your website sa search engine nyo. So bali po, pupunta po kayo dito. I-search nyo lang po yung Codesys PLC software, and then you're gonna land on this one here, Codesys installer. Kasama ko po pala yung baby ko ngayon while vlogging. So sorry if medyo maingay. So yun po. So pag nandito kayo sa website na to, just open that one, click that link. Yung mangyayari po is kailangan yung gumawa ng account nyo. So basically, you need to create an account. So dapat mag-create ka ng account, tas gagawin mo na na student. So I think if pupunta ka dito sa Soft PLC, pupunta kayo sa Windows. Yun po. And then I think if you go here, Windows Control Win. Yeah, I think if you go here, Windows Control Win. So yun po, mada-download nyo na po yung software. So just click on download. Free po siya. Yun nakalagay po, it's free. So if you click download, then you need to create an account. So basically, pag na-download nyo na po yung software, magiging ganito po yung software niya. So it will take a bit of time po pag dinownload niya na yung software. Siguro it will take 10 to 15 minutes to fully set up the software, and then after that, ito na po yung magiging kalabasan niya. Yung fully installed software. Alright. So once you've downloaded this software, yung PLC programming software, I will teach you how to first set up yung first nyo na project, paano maggawa ng simulation sa software. So basically, we're doing simulations in the software, and then so basically yung software na to, yung PLC software na to, si Codesys, yan po, is i-connect natin doon sa Factory.io na ida-download natin. So basically, yung Factory.io, so if you search Factory.io download for free sa Google search engine nyo, then you just go down, don't download from factoryio.com itself. Meron po siyang free version for 30 days. But after that, I think you're gonna pay for like 50 euros or so. Mga 3,000 po siya per month. So that's expensive for a student. So you just go here, go down here, and then click this PLC 247. So I'm not teaching you guys to cheat, but ito po yung searchable siya, and you can use and download this one. So basically yung mga projects ko po na pinapakita earlier, like simple conveyor, simple tank control, ito po yung ginagamit ko for free lang po. But make sure po, FYI sa mga lahat ng estudyante na gagamit dito, is you need to make a virtual machine sa PC nyo. Kasi just in case may virus siya or any hack, so hindi kayo mamomonitor if you're gonna install it sa VM nyo, virtual machine. Oo, Asher. Oo. So basically, if you go into this website, plc247.com, makikita nyo po dito na downloadable po yung Factory IO. Yung version niya po is v2.5.5. So, yun po, ano nyo lang po, i-follow nyo po yung prompt niya. So basically, ito po yung link to download the software. Sa hino-hover po ng mouse namin ni Asher. So if you click this link, it's gonna give you the full file. So basically po, I think this is around 1 GB. So hindi siya ganun kabigat. And then you just follow the instruction here. Basically, you need to patch the file, and then you need as well to allow this certain folder in your Windows Defender sa firewall nyo po, kasi madidetect po ng system siya na virus to eh. So that's why, the reason why I'm saying this is kailangan nyo po siyang i-install sa virtual machine. Alright, so let's go back. I think we've downloaded the Codesys software, and then we have this Factory IO. So ito po yung scenes niya. Feel free to follow on my vlog kasi tatapusin po natin lahat ng mga challenges dito. So practical exercise, step by step. We're gonna use ladder diagram. I'll show you how to read. I'll show you how to make ladder diagram, how to read ladder diagram programming. So let's just test this simple. So basically, if you have the software right now, ito po yung Codesys software, and then you just need to run the virtual PLC here, and then once you run the virtual PLC, you download your program. You download your program to the virtual PLC, and I'll say it says network error. Let's just fix that one. So basically, why am I getting network error? Okay. So I need to go into that device and I need to scan the network first. Alright. Oh, your mom is here, Asher. Alright, go to mom. Because daddy's vlogging. Bless mommy, Asher. Good job, Asher. Good job. Alright, let's just fix this one. I'll scan the network. First check the gate. So yung gateway natin is hindi gumagana. So Codesys gateway. Dapat gumagana yung gateway natin. So basically, gateway is like, of course, that's already. Oh no, Asher's crying. Alright. Sorry guys kung medyo tiis-tiis muna kayo kay Asher. Hello Asher, say hi to Asher. Say hi Asher. Hello Asher, hello everyone. So yun po, i-fix lang po natin yung problema natin sa Factory IO. So I think tumatakbo na po yung gateway natin. If I'm not mistaken, start gateway. Ayun. So anyway, I'll teach you that one how to. So if we scan the network now, I think Yun po. Gumagana na po yung gateway. So gateway is the gateway between your laptop and your virtual PLC. Alright. And we need to start our virtual PLC as well. So ito na po yun. Nakikita niyo na po. Yes. I'll just click OK. So basically po today, So if we go back there sa factory I/O natin, and then let's do the configuration. So dapat po mag-browse tayo ng mga tags niya. So in this case, nag-start po yun ng factory I/O, yung lahat ng tags niya para mabilis siya i-browse. So pag browse mo niyan, madidetect siya ng factory I/O. So if you see it here, nakikita na po ng factory I/O na ito yung mga tags galing po dun sa simulation software ng Codesys. So if I put my sensor here on the factory I/O sensor, and then if I put my conveyor on the factory I/O conveyor tag, and then if you press play, this one's gonna run. Play. Oops, wait. See? Tumatakbo na po. So basically connected na po yung, so just a proof of concept na connected na po yung PLC natin. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung tag kung paano siya gumagana. So I'm just gonna quickly show that one there. So I hope kita niyo po ako. Yun. Just give Dada the mouse, Asher, okay? Just give Dada so that Dada could help someone to learn something, okay? Alright. So, ayun na po, makikita nyo na po na ito po yung simple, ito po yung kadalasan kong ginagamit anyway. Just a proof of concept. So, let's just stop it. And then, so if you see it here, dito po sa PLC natin, tingnan po natin yung status ng tags niya. So if you go here, so it's just loading a little bit. Dada's gonna give you the Asher. So makikita nyo po, paano ba to i-zoom out? I think let's go to the PLC program. Yun po. So at this moment makikita nyo po na active po yung active po yung sensor, active po yung conveyor, kaya tumatakbo siya. So pagdating niya sa dulo, magfo-false yung sensor pati kasi nadidetect na ng sensor nadidetect na po yung sensor yung box, and then yung output sa conveyor is off na po siya. So makikita nyo po dito yun. So bali po, it's just a very basic program So yung mapoprove natin dito na connected na po yung software natin, which is this one right here, through the Codesys PLC software. Note po, lahat po is free. Like, if you're a student, young engineer na gustong mag-pursue ng controls, electrical engineering, so I think if you follow this channel, you're gonna learn a lot. I think, ang technology po ngayon is sobrang taas na. Even you can use AI to help you solve problems. So, yeah, I think I'm using AI to solve problems, like to give you like ideas na hindi kayang ibigay sa iyo ng isang tao. I think you need to leverage technology. So sa lahat ng mga students diyan, aspiring engineers na mga bata, if you follow this channel, marami po kayong matututunan aside from, vlogging about this PLC Codesys connection. By the way, sa lahat pala ng mga students diyan and teachers. So sa mga teachers dyan, shout out sa Biliran Island Province State University. Peace. So if you wanna teach sa lahat ng mga students nyo, controls automation, programming, you can do C++ programming through Codesys, and it's free. So bakit po hindi natin siya ituro, hindi natin i-research? Bigyan natin ng hope yung mga bagong students natin, yung mga, lahat tayo, galing ako sa province, and I did not even learn computer until sa edad na 16 years old. So, yan po. So, if you're a student right now, na nakita niyo to yung video na to, there's a lot of resources to learn. So, yun po. Sana po may natutunan kayo, and yung next natin na vlog is I'll show you how to set this, the Codesys PLC software, kung paano po siya natin i-set up para ma-connect siya dito sa dinownload nyo na Factory.io. Hopefully hindi kayo magka-problema sa setup ng software ng PLC. It's very easy. Yung Factory.io, it's a bit tricky, pero kung may problema kayo, feel free to send me message po sa page natin or you can comment sa page natin. Send me an email, I'll reply to you. So basically, ito na po, again, just a proof of concept na connected po yung software, simulation software sa simulated PLC natin. Hindi natin kailangan ng actual PLC, ng wirings, you can learn all of it for free through software. If you have a computer at home, matututunan nyo po ito. Alright, again, let's prove again the proof of concept. Ayan po. Hindi pa active yung sensor, yung conveyor tumatakbo. Pag active na yung sensor, namamatay na yung output ng conveyor. Anyway, thanks again guys for watching, and hopefully mag-follow po kayo sa page na to if you wanna learn electrical engineering, controls engineering, and you want to learn together with my son Usher. Bye-bye, Usher. Say bye-bye to our viewers, Usher. Say bye-bye to our viewers, Usher. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Flying kiss, everyone. Flying kiss. Good job. Woohoo! Let's go. Yo, sana mag-follow po kayo for the next vlog. Follow for more Korean tips.